Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto Insider. I'm talking about the Magic Newton Testnet. So if you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe, and if you've been watching my videos, ensure to like and also subscribe if you're not subscribed. So we're talking about the Magic Newton airdrop. So before we register, let's head on to the X page to see what this airdrop is all about. This is a Magic Newton airdrop. It's an AI portal. So we just have to do one or two tasks to accumulate as much points as possible. It's still very well underfarmed. So if you need to do more research, you can look them up online. You can come over to their Discord, which is here. So you can see how you caught up on. You have to just do quests. I recently just introduced the ability to refer friends. So you can now refer friends on Magic Newton. So my referral link will be in my description. Do well to register with it and also post your referral link in the comment section. If you have any difficulties in performing any of the tasks, do well to also let me know in the comment section. So let's go back and let me show you how you can get as much points as possible with the Magic Newton airdrop. So I'm using MySys browser currently. So you can use MySys, Kiwi, or your MetaMask browser. If you're using your PC, you can download the Chrome extension and make use of it. So I'll be signing up with my MetaMask. So we'll connect. Then sign the transaction. So it takes a while to load. Then confirm the transaction. Confirm sign-in requests. So this is the dashboard. We are completely signed in. I've received my 150 credits for signing up to the Magic Newton. So once you also sign up with my referral link, you'll be getting your 150 credits. So all you have to do here is to explore quests, do as much quests as possible, then roll a dice. Also refer friends. So we'll be exploring the quests. There are two quests, the main quest and the side quests. Click on explore quest. As the main quests, I will not be able to do all of them now. So if you have any question or if you have experienced any difficulty in doing any of the main quests, you can let me know in the comment section. So for the first main quest, all you just have to do is you submit your email address and verify. Then we're getting 250 credits. Then for picnic, Moralis, Poly Market, Community Gaming, and Mode Mobile, still the same process. Submit your email address and then verify to be able to get 250 credits for the main quest. So try to complete all these quests as soon as possible. So let's go back to the side quests. So side quests, you have to, first thing here is the referrals, which is already active because I've already been referred by someone. So it's very important that you come in through a referral so that this will also be active for you. So my link will be in the description. Then you follow them on X. Let's see, X. So on X, just follow them. Then you'll be able to claim 100 credits. Also follow on TikTok and on Instagram. Then guild is still coming. Then for the referrals, so this is the maximum referrals you can get is 250 referrals. So you can get to refer as much as possible. So your friend signs up using your invite link. They complete the side quest following Magic Newton on X. So once they complete the side quests, you are both going to get 50 Ethereum credits, and then you can earn 250 Ethereum credits every 7 days from referrals. So click here to get your invite link. So this is the invite link, copy. So it's going to be in my description. So for you to register with my link, then you can also drop your invite link in the comment section. So I think that's it for the Magic Newton airdrop. So there will be more tasks. So once any task appears, I will let us know through a video. Then also here, roll for bonus. Let's roll. Let's see. So here you roll and then you get credits, Ethereum credits. So roll, throw the dice. So I just got 4 credits, and you can see that it's been applied here. So the scores are random. Everything know is a dice, and you cannot really predict what the score is going to give us. So return home. So you have to do this, roll these dice basically every day. It unlocks every day. So try to log into your account every day for us to claim bit points. So thank you for watching this video. If you gained value, do well to hit the subscribe button, like and share to as much social media accounts as possible. So also have a Telegram channel in the description. Do well to join. I'll be dropping a lot of updates on wait lists and airdrops and crypto trading. So also try to take part in as much airdrops as possible. This might be the year for testnets and nodes. Last year was our Telegram airdrops. But also try to diversify, do Telegram airdrops, do testnets, run nodes, refer friends. This could be the year that we make as much money as possible from running airdrops. Thank you for watching. See you next time.